Well, welcome to my channel. And of course, you see the apron, which means I'm back in my Price's Pearl Life kitchen. So you know what to do. Just keep watching. And if you're new, then go ahead and like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell twice so you never miss an upload from the Priceless Pearl Life.
So let's come together, celebrate, united as one.
So as you know, I'm quite the busy bee, but my family, we have to eat. And if we're going to eat, we have to eat well here on the Johnson Ranch. So this recipe is quick and easy, but most importantly, it's oh so delicious. So you know what to do. Just keep watching.
Today, oh, pray. Everyone needs somebody to lean on. Everyone needs someone who cares. If we come together as one, help each other get stronger. We are bounded.
My pork chops have been washed twice, and I also cleaned them with vinegar.
Celebrate each other, stand united as one. We lift our hands up and pray. Lay all our love before Him with all of our faith. He is the change within us.
I am Katrina. I'm a sister, a daughter, a servant, and a pastor. And on my channel, what I do, I share my love of cooking, cleaning, vlogs, shopping hauls, and of course, home decor. If these are things that interest you, well, go ahead and like, subscribe, and join the channel. I mean, what are you waiting for? You're already here. So go ahead and join my family, my priceless family, that is.
So let's come together. Yeah, let's come together. We lift our hands up and pray. Lay all our love before Him with all of our faith. He is the change within us. There is a light. Let Him lead the way. Lift our hands up and pray.
As always, the full recipe and directions will be listed in the description box below. But as a tip, always remember, the thicker the pork chops, the longer you'll need to cook them. But just check the description box below.
Far and wide, across the ocean, above the clouds. In your presence, I am free. I hear your whisper through the wind. Here, right now, there's no place that I would rather be. So let this moment last. I've searched myself, I've tried to figure out.
So I know you see these string beans filled with meat and potatoes. If you want that recipe as well, then comment below and maybe that'll be my next cooking video.
Like you give me strength, Lord, I finally know where I belong. can feel you in the sunlight and through the cold nights when I close my eyes. I am walking, oh Lord, beneath the starlight, a love so pure. Here right now, there's no place that I would rather be. So let this moment last.
I appreciate your continued support. I thank you so much for stopping by the Johnson Ranch every time I post a video to see what's going on here, because you never know what I'm doing, either here, there, out there. Well, you never know. So make sure your post notification bells are set to all. That's ALL, so you never miss an upload from the Price is Pearl life. And until next time, you know what I say. Stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless. I already look forward to seeing you on my next video.